Today again we are going to solve some problems based upon probability. पिछले एक वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था probability of an event. We have sure event, we have impossible event. Now suppose we are given the probability of happening an event. For example, if we toss a coin, we know we have two possible outcomes, that is head and tail. If probability of head is 1 by 2, probability of tail is 1 by 2. Now if I know the probability of head, suppose E is the probability of head, or I can say if H is the probability of head, I mean I am having the probability of head, but I am going to solve probability of not coming head. That is, if E is an event, if E is the probability of happening an event, then what will be the probability of not happening an event? Firstly, this thing should be clear, that probability of happening an event plus probability of not happening an event, this one is always equal to 1. E bar से मैंने denote किया probability of not happening an event, then probability of not happening an event will be 1 minus probability of happening an event. That is, probability of head हमें पता है, probability of tail अगर हमें नहीं भी पता है. Suppose I am going to solve probability of not coming head, probability of not H. Not H means 1 minus probability of H. Just like probability of not E, this one is equal to 1 minus probability of E. So probability of not H will be 1 minus probability of H. That is, 1 minus probability of H is 1 by 2. So this one will be 2 into 1. That is 2 minus 1. Again 1 by 2. If we are given probability of happening an event, then we can find out probability of not happening the event by the technique. Probability of not happening the event is equal to 1 minus probability of happening of the event. Suppose probability of an event is 0.25 and we have to find the probability of not happening an event. Probability of E equals to 0.25. Now probability of E bar, that is not E. Now probability of not E will be 1 minus probability of E. That is 1 minus. Now probability of E is 0.25. That is 0.75. This one is the probability of not E. Likewise, कभी भी हमें probability given है. Suppose probability of an event is, probability of happening an event is, suppose 1 by 3. We need to find probability of not happening an event. This one will be probability 1 minus probability of E. हमें ये याद रखना है, probability of happening an event plus probability of not happening an event is always equal to 1. So making use of the same concept, probability of not E will be equal to 1 minus probability of E. Now 1 minus probability of E is 1 by 3. So this one will be, LCM will be 3. Now 3 into 1 equals to 3 minus 1. It will be 2 by 3. So using this concept, we can find the probability of not happening an event. I think this one should be clear. Thank you.